Sense of life. Discover the power of life. Guided meditation, day 1. Sense of life. It gives us a sense of how well our inner life processes are going on. The sense of life becomes acutely aware of itself if something inside is causing us pain. If we are tired or sick, we feel a sense of life. It connects us to our bodies, allowing us to feel physically strong in the morning and tired in the evening. The sense of life, listening to one's inner state, is directed inward. If it is well developed, the opposite direction, outward into the world, will also be developed. And now, let's start the meditation. Please sit comfortably. Do not cross your legs and arms. Put your palms on your knees and turn them towards the sky. Let yourself be in silence. Let yourself let go of all the thoughts and worries of this day. There are only you and your feelings. You are comfortable. You are at ease. You are filled with attention to yourself and your feelings. Please close your eyes and follow me. Take a deep breath in and out. Direct your attention to the heart area. Here is the heart chakra Anahata. And now, say out loud, I trust life. I trust life. I love life. I love life. I believe that life has prepared for me the best scenario for my happy life. I believe that life has prepared for me the best scenario for my happy life. I love life. I love life. I can easily overcome all the challenges of life. I can easily overcome all the challenges of life. My life is changing for the better. life is changing for the better. My dear friend, the feeling of life is like our inner guide that answers the question, am I doing everything right in my life? If you feel tired after a working day, but despite this, you feel satisfied with your work or the business you are doing, it means that you are alive and you enjoy life. Remember, life and the universe loves you. Continue the path of cognition